Besties, hi Besties. Hey yo, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today we're going to be trying out another inspirational hair tutorial. I'll be teaching you how you can do this viral hairstyle by hair by Clipperz, taking you step by step, on how to achieve this same hairstyle on your hair by yourself. So if you are someone that do not really know how to style your hair by yourself, well, welcome to the channel. I'll be sharing all the tools I use for this tutorial in the description. Okay, let's dive right in. If your hair is stretched, you could use a work with that. But for me, I do not stretch my hair. I always love my hair moisturized when I'm doing any of the I hardly stretch or use flat iron or any hot tool to stretch my hair. So after moisturizing my hair, I went on to using a hairbrush to brush the hair. I brushed the back, the sides, and everything. And then I went on to use my shoelace, or you could use your rope or thread to tie it. Make sure you tie it to look like a crown. Yeah. So you make it look like a crown. You're going to make the bun go high, like really high to the top of your head. When you're done, your high bun should look like this. So now, here is the tricky part. Now for the hairstyle we are replicating, this section, each of the section that was rolled, folded and pinned is kind of small. They did it in smaller sections. So but for me, I wanted to do bigger sections because I didn't really have enough pin and I did not want my pin to get exhausted and then I'll still have more sections to pin. So yes, I did in large section. So after cutting or separating or sectioning a particular section, smoothing it and then fold it the way you're seeing. You fold it to the side. You're not going to fold it up. You're folding it to the side and then you're going to pin it down. Now, if you have enough pin, you can cut into smaller sections. But for me, I did mine in big sections. This should be what the hair should look like. And then you can go on to do the same to every part, every section that you have cut. So make sure you cut the section, smoothing it, and then fold it to the side. Don't fold it up. That is the tricky part. And make sure you've cut smaller sections. I'm repeating this for emphasis. And we are done. So you can go on to apply your edge control or your hair gel or your hair wax, whatever it is to smoothen the front. Or better still, just leave it. Just brush it without nothing. And it will still look good. Like, are you feeling the hairstyle? So this is the final look. I hope we did justice to the style we're trying to replicate, and I really hope you really love the video, and I believe you're going to try it very soon. So let me know if you're going to try it. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Love and bye.